Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Luke Whitlock, and here's my brand new Slope-Duro bike check. I'm running the KHS 650/7500 frame. It's an enduro frame, but super stiff, super playful, and I absolutely love it. It's super sick for this specific kind of build that I got going on here. So start things out in the cockpit. I'm running the Reverse Components Nico-Vik handlebar, 18 mil rise, 760 wide. Makes it super playful, super cool for throwing bars, you know, whatever, not too wide. That's all connected with the Reverse Components Black 1 stem, Sensus grips, Shimano XT brakes, front brake routed through the fork, through the top cap, so you can throw bars and your bars aren't getting tangled up and whatnot, and you can still run the front brake. Moving on to the seat, we got the Reverse Components Nico-Vik signature shovel and tread. Super comfy seat. It's got some nice grip on the sides for when you're throwing suies and whatnot, and yeah, super padded leather, so it's super durable as well. For the pedals, I'm running the Reverse Components Black 1 pedals. I love them. They're not too big, not too small, super grippy pins. Smashed the pedals on rocks, hit big jumps, landed flat, and had no issues yet. I absolutely love them. For the wheels, I'm running Reverse Components Black 1 rims, laced up to the Evo 10 hubs. So far, super sick, super smooth bearings, super good engagement, and built by BlackRock Bikes here in Reno, Nevada. Wouldn't trust anyone else with building my wheels. So thanks, boys. Kenda Hellcat Pros, front and rear. Super sick tire from Kenda, super grippy, super fast rolling still. Perfect for everything I'm riding in my area, super loose and dusty, so. And I got a Shimano drivetrain, Shimano brakes, and Fox suspension front and rear. And that's my bike check.